Okay, then for the next next project, we're going to be using a couple other new components. One is our breadboard, and then a black jumper wire and a red jumper wire. We're also going to be using a red LED and then a resistor. We're going to be using a resistor that is 330 ohm. Now, in the previous videos, you learned a little bit about how we identify the value of a resistor, how much resistance it has in allowing electricity to flow. And for this one, we're going to be using an orange, brown, and gold resistor, which is 330 ohm. You can go back to a previous lesson to learn how to read your resistors, but for now, just find the resistor that is orange, or reading from left to right, orange, brown, and gold. Gold is on the right. This is a 330 ohm resistor, and I'm going to bend it a little bit so we can put it into our breadboard. Now, notice that my power supply is unplugged, and previously we programmed our Arduino to blink. Mine is still set up to blink on for 3 seconds and off for 3 seconds. However, now we're going to use our breadboard and these jumper wires. Now, the black jumper wire is going to be attached to the pin that is identified as GND, which stands for ground. I'm going to put that in there. And black, by the way, is typically the ground in electronics. So, and red is usually the power, the positive. So we're going to attach the red to pin 13. And now we're going to connect this to our breadboard. Now I'm going to first attach the LED, and remember, well, I like to bend my LED leads like this. This longer one, of course, is the positive. The shorter one is the negative lead. And I'm going to put that in my breadboard. And you know how to do this from previous videos. Now I'm going to put my resistor in, and you'll notice that on actually I have my breadboard upside down. Not that that's important, but just for the sake of this video, I'm going to turn it right side up. And the leads of my LED are in row number 1 and row number 5. So I'm going to put the lead of my resistor into row number 5. So that means now that the lead here is of the LED is connected to the lead of the resistor because they are in the same row. Now I am going to attach the black lead here into row number 1 and the red into row number 11. Now, not that it has to be number 11, it can be any of the others, but it just so happens that my resistor fell into that row, so I'm going to attach the red lead here. And now we're all set up. Now, what should happen is when I connect my power, that I am going to see my LED blink on for 3 seconds and off for 3 seconds. Let's see if I can turn this. You should see that blinking. I'll hold this a little bit closer. There you go. This and this is how we can use our breadboard and our Arduino together. Now again, I am working on page 7 and 8 of the PDF entitled Arduino in a Nutshell.